Okay, today I got this new water heater prepped, ready to go in. This old one here, it's just blowing its breaker. Used to do it once a month. Now it's doing it on a weekly basis. It's old. So, yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. I got to drain everything, and there's people upstairs renting. So it's going to take a couple, 3 hours to do all this right. So, but it's prepped, ready to go. Just got to check the spec to see how high I can put this off the floor. Of course, I've got a strap it to the foundation there, but I got to see how high, because I'd like to just put it this high, but we're a foot shorter with this one. But we'll check it out and do it right. So I got the kitchen sink cabinet in. Yeah, so right there would be about the right cabinets to put in. But she's talking these right here. And putting those in and centering them would leave me a funky looking gap here of about a foot. So I don't know. You like to use what you got, and I can't really extend them this way or that because the stove is going to be there, and having a cabinet halfway over the stove, and then this is where a mini fridges go. You know, it just isn't going to look right. So anyway, I got to deal with the floor. The cabinet's level, but I just got this in here, and I've got leveler for the floor. This is all at a level. I'm going to shim it a little bit with some wood, but that's what we got going.